Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds.
Chocolate chip waffles. Good morning, you guys. We are having breakfast. I don't consider this a breakfast. This is not a meal, but I don't feel that good. I'm having a ton of side effects from my birth control pill, and it has not been the most fun. But good news is when I went in for the ultrasound to see if there was any cysts for that pain I've been feeling, they said they didn't find anything. So we don't know what the pain is actually from, which is a bad thing, but we're hoping the birth control will help because it may just be too many hormones. But no, the birth control is causing like horrible side effects. Obviously, that's not why I came on here. We're just starting the vlog. It's gonna be a super chill vlog. A lot of big emotions happening, and I just want us to have a good weekend. So we are gonna be going to the store. I have a surprise for the kids. I do need to grab some stuff from the house. I need to grab some stuff for dinner. This is going to be a good day, good vibes, good energy, good listening skills, right, ma'am? We're gonna listen. Are you gonna be good for mama? We're gonna have a lot of fun. I don't know who I thought I was today, but I'm going out in this crop top. I don't know, I feel pretty confident today, and I'm gonna rock this confidence. And then I got these jeans from a Stitch Fix box. I think they're a size, I don't know if they're like a 6 or anything. It says 28, whatever 28 means in this brand. And so the brand is Judy Blue. They have like distressing all the way down. I love the distressing. The only bad thing is they're super stretchy, so I feel like they're gonna be one of those jeans that just stretch out as you walk, so we'll see. And then I got this necklace from Eric. It has a little boy and a little girl on there with the kids' birthstones and their names. I absolutely love it. And then I've had this shirt for a while. I got it from American Eagle. It's like a boyfriend shirt. It's super baggy, so if I wanted to put it on over this, I could definitely do that. But that is what I'm wearing today. And then the kids made a mess, per usual. They're both matching. She has little ice cream shorts, and then he has a ice cream shirt. So, and then I have my pump bag out because I don't pump anymore, but I'm actually working on a video. Don't know why I didn't just turn this around. So yeah, I've actually been trying to get this video made for like a year, but I wanted to reach out to the company that it's not sponsored. It's the products that I've always used, and so yeah, this is kind of how I make money too. So I'm hoping to build my portfolio, because instead of doing sponsors, I like working with companies and like creating projects for them that they can like redistribute and use for their materials. So I did not ask for money for this. I just asked if like I use their products and like do a dedicated video. Hold on, baby. Obviously have the rights, and then if they wanted to redistribute it, they can do that, but I can use it as my portfolio to show other companies that this is like kind of my work and what I do for like stock footage and stuff. So I talk about this on my other channel as far as like how to make money with your channel. If you guys are interested, you can do behind the scenes work like stock photography and videography if you're into that sort of thing. So, and it's a really good way to make an income, you guys. I highly recommend it.
All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.
We got it? Okay, let's go. There's these.
I know we're acting stupid. Maybe just don't got it. Let's go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't.
Don't open that popcorn yet. I want you to wash your hands first, okay? Okay, so when we get home, we'll eat our pastas and open up the popcorn. I got them Pizza Hut. They didn't have anything available though. So I just got marinara pasta and some breadsticks for the kids to share, and then I have leftovers at home. Anywho, so yeah, I wanted to do like a whole slumber party sleepover with like a fun tent for the kids, because I've been wanting to get Aria like a little canopy tent anyways, but they didn't have any in store. We're moms, we just roll with the punches, but my battery's gonna die, so I'll just see you at home, guys. Okay, kids are eating. I don't want to show them because they have their shirts off because it's pasta and they were wearing white, so I did not want that mixing. But I thought I'd show you a little bit of what we got at Target. Literally, there was no reason for us to go to Target other than just to get out of the house, and we definitely needed it. It has been a lot of big emotions going on with me, like having the side effects to my birth control and just dealing with anxiety, and I like broke down crying yesterday when Eric got home because I was feeling like such a failure in just all parts. Like I felt like I was picking fights with Eric, and I told him like I stress him out. He reassured me. He was like, you are not ruining our marriage, like we are fine. Like I don't know what was going on. And then Aria has just her attitude has been like 3-nager 2.0, and then Ezra's been teasing, so it's been a lot. So we just needed to get out of the house, refresh, but I feel good today. I woke up, I think that cry session made me feel so much better. I don't know if anyone else has just like cried, and then I took a shower, I washed my hair, I like exfoliated, like I just feel like a whole new woman. I just needed that reset. But okay, so I was not sure what I wanted for dinner. I was just hoping something would scream at me when I got there, and it did. So we definitely love these. The only thing is they have small bags, so it's perfect for like Eric and I, but if you have a large family, you might need to get 2 of these. But it's just the pulled pork. And then I do have tortillas and I have bread left, so it just kind of depends on how it wants to be made. And then I thought this would be really good with it. It is a maple bourbon bacon chopped salad kit. I love these chopped salad kits. They're really good too if you have like grilled chicken. You can throw chicken on there and make that like a meal on its own. And then I got some classic macaroni salad from Archer Farms. They have potato salad, but I'm really picky. My dad makes the best potato salad, and I swear I can't eat anybody else's. And then chips were 2 for $6, so I got the barbecue Lays. And then this seems new. I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me, the honey barbecue. I love honey barbecue. Obviously, you guys can tell I was like really craving something. Aria picked out some graham cracker snacks for her and Ezra, so I said that was okay. Sorry, my focus is like all over the place right now. But yeah, so I just got the Oral-B. This is the only one they had. And then this seemed more healthy than the other ones. But yeah, so it's one of those like farm to home things. So it's called Quinn, and I think it was like $4 for 28 ounces, which this is gonna last us a while. We don't really cook that much popcorn. We're in a baking mood. I don't know what is going on. These cookie brownie bar mix is so good though. You do have to make them separately. So you like mix the brownie and then you mix the cookie and then you like swirl them together before baking. And then for Mama, I got some wine. I was craving a Cab. Barefoot's a really good like cheap wine. This was like $4 or $5 or something like that. I've also been craving mimosas in the morning, so this was $3. I didn't get a big thing of champagne just because we don't really drink that much champagne. And yeah, so I just got this one. I've never tried the collection, but I do love Prosecco's as my like champagne of choice. And then I was also craving chocolate, so I got this Godiva. I needed some more washcloths for my face. And then for arts and crafts, we got some more sidewalk chalk because the kids broke the last of theirs. I think I might take this back though. It's oil crayons and they're not washable, and the baby has started to write on the walls and I don't need that. But if you have older kids, it might work out, and it was only $3 from their like bullseye section. And then my kids are Blippi fans, so they had like these little Blippi mystery balls. They had 4. You're fine. Oh, you got pasta on you? You're fine. So they had like 4 or 5 different colors, and these were $3 too, so I just let Aria pick out one. That screaming is because she got the smallest little dot of pasta on her finger. That's what I'm talking about when it comes to having a kid with sensory issues. Anything touches them that they don't like or they find like, I don't know, they just freak out like it's the end of the world. But you are messy. We probably have to do some light baths, huh?
I'm messy too.
I know, and we need naps soon. I don't know if your brother's gonna nap right now because he napped in Target, but okay, let me clean them up and then I'll chat with you guys in a minute. You want to open that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. How do you do it?
Oh yeah, too.
Okay, oh, here. I want you to be able to do it because this is yours. See that little like zipper thing right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so you pull that down. Okay, so you gotta peel that off.
Pull that off.
Okay, it says 3 and up, so make sure your brother doesn't get anything. Yep, on the floor. Thank you. Okay. Do you need help opening it? Can you do it? What's in there?
Oh, it's Blippi.
It's Blippi. What is this? Ooh, look at their little letters on there. That's cute. And then you actually got a Blippi doll, and he has, is that a flashlight?
Yeah.
What is, ooh, did you get some goldfish? What's this? Can you say Blippi?
Mom.
And he go in his little hut and he goes, oh, peekaboo.
No, he's just sleeping at the bed.
Oh, he's sleeping?
Yeah.
And he goes, peekaboo. Where'd you go? Does this go inside here?
No.
No?
The F will go inside.
What is F for?
Flashlight.
Flashlight, very good. What is Y for?
Yo-yo.
Very good. What is, there's no other letters. What is that?
Moon.
A moon. And do you know what this is?
A question.
A question mark. Very good. Oh, what's this one?
I.
Oh, kind of. If we go this way, but if it's upside down this way, with a dot, what is that?
Uh-oh.
It's an exclamation mark.
Yeah!
That's what you put after a sentence when you're really excited.
Yeah!
If you go, yay!
Yay!
And then you put like an exclamation mark, huh?
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
What did you do with the goldfish?
He just jumped right there.
Oh, you jumped in behind me. Okay.
Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Thank you.
It's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young.
Good job, sweetie. High five. Yay.
It's chocolate.
Hurry, keep mixing.
It's chocolate.
Good job, Brother Bear.
So take me on a trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid.
You see it? Don't touch. Oh!
Maybe just a little
It's happening!
Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we don't.
Is that cool?
Yeah. It's pop like popcorn.
It does pop like popcorn. You are correct. Okay, so I decided to make them into little street tacos. So I did some of the pulled pork at the bottom, and then I did the maple bacon salad over it because I didn't have like cabbage, and then a little bit of mozzarella cheese. So that is what I'm having. And then if I'm still hungry after I finish this, I'll dive into some of the macaroni salad because it's pretty good. And then just a Dr. Pepper on the side. Num num. Look at what's all over your face. You don't know? Is it macaroni salad? Is it good?
Mom,
Num num.
I have one for myself.
This is his second serving of macaroni salad. I'm only doing just a spoonful at a time, and then I gave him a little bit of the pulled pork. He's been weird with meat lately, so it's a give or take if he's actually gonna eat it or not. He's like in a pasta mood. And then of course my picky eater, I still give her what we have, so it's still on her plate, and it gives her the option to eat it. She did want a waffle, and then of course you guys know I always give her the Orgain protein shake for kids because that's how she gets her fruits, veggies, and nutrients in, since she doesn't really eat anything else, huh? And then Blippi has joined us for dinner. He's replacing the fact that my husband's not home. It was really hard for the kids today because Eric was actually supposed to be home.
Name is Baby Guy.
Blippi guy. Eric was supposed to get last weekend off with us, and he had to go to work. He's supposed to get this weekend off with us, and he had to go to work. So the kids just like don't get to see Eric that often, and it's pretty sad. And then Eric and I kind of see each other, but by the time we do get to see each other, I'm burnt out from being with the kids all day, and then he's burnt out from just working. So we don't really get like quality time. So we definitely need like a family vacay or something soon. So I think he sent me his schedule, and he may have next weekend off. Fingers crossed, because he's supposed to have the last 3. So I'm hoping, because the kids really miss him. Like, they did not want him to go, and we never have dinner with him. It's just me and the kids. So hopefully we'll get to see him soon. Alright, kids are finishing up their dinner right now. I'm gonna just do a little tidy up, but this is what, I don't know if I was supposed to swirl it or what, and I'm pretty sure my oven turned off right before this was done, so I hope it's cooked all the way. We have our popcorn, definitely need some salt on it, but I didn't want to give it to the kids with salt, but they're pretty good. It has a very like almost kettle taste to it, And then there was some cookie dough left over, so I just made them into little mini like chocolate chip cookies. Although it wasn't made with egg, so it has more of like a cake texture, but they're still pretty good if you like chewy cakes. But I think we are good for snacks for the weekend. All right, guys, it is a little before 6. I put the kids in the bath early. This way we could just go downstairs, and when Eric gets home, they could spend a little bit of time with Eric since it is the weekend. I'm not worried about them going to bed at a certain time. But I do need to finish editing and filming some parts for my breastfeeding tips video. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I felt like this vlog was everywhere, but it was just really nice to not worry about cleaning my house all day long like I normally do, and just kind of spend time with the kids baking and playing with their new toys and stuff. So I had a lot of like downtime with the kids, and it was like exactly what we needed today, just to kind of reset my clock. So I hope you guys find time to relax this weekend and spend time with your family. Let me know in the comments below what you guys did. And then if you're not interested in the weaning or pumping schedule video, I will have hopefully on Friday a what I eat in a day after that. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed because I know you guys like those ones, and we'll be doing a lot more vlogs. But as always, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.